Controller drift can be frustrating while playing League of Legends. Follow these steps to help resolve the issue. Step 1. Check controller settings. Navigate to the settings menu in League of Legends and ensure that your controller is properly configured. Look for any sensitivity settings that may need adjustment. Step 2. Clean the controller. Dust and debris can cause drift. Use a can of compressed air to clean around the analog sticks and buttons. Make sure to remove any dirt that may be affecting the controller's performance. Step 3. Update controller firmware. Check if your controller has any firmware updates available. Visit the manufacturer's website or use the software to ensure your controller is up to date. Step 4. Calibrate the controller. Most systems have a calibration tool for controllers. Access this tool through your system settings and follow the prompts to recalibrate your controller, which can help eliminate drift. Step 5. Test with another game. To determine if the drift is specific to League of Legends or your controller itself, test it with another game. If the drift persists, the issue may be with the controller hardware. If these steps do not resolve the issue, consider reaching out to customer support for your controller or looking into a replacement.